Weekly market highlights market relief as retaliatory tariff pause announced. The 11th of April 2025. Macro. The reciprocal tariffs that went into effect on Wednesday are now paused for 90 days, except for China, which remains at 125%. The baseline 10% tariff that went into effect on the 5th of April will remain in place. Effective April 12, 2025, China's Finance Ministry announced that it will increase the tariff rate on goods imported from the U.S. from 84% to 125%. The European Commission announced on the 10th of April that the European Union will match the U.S. 90-day pause on tariffs, delaying its first tranche of retaliatory duties on U.S. goods. Jobless claim filings increased by 4,000 to 223,000, but short of the forecast of 225,000, indicating that the labor market remains broadly healthy despite an ongoing trade war. According to Van Eck, China and Russia are confirmed to be using Bitcoin to settle some energy trades. BlackRock has included Anchorage Digital Bank as an additional custodian of its Bitcoin holdings, besides its primary custodian, Coinbase. Cboe Digital, the crypto arm of the Chicago Board of Options Exchange, is aiming to roll out a new BTC futures product in partnership with FTSE Russell. Fidelity Investments launched crypto for IRAs after customer demand, enabling investors the opportunity to trade and hold crypto assets in tax-advantaged accounts. 21 Shares filed an S-1 registration with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday for a spot Dogecoin exchange-traded fund. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved trading options on Wednesday for Ethereum ETFs issued by iShares, Bitwise, and Grayscale. Crypto L1/L2. Interchain Labs unveiled IBC Eureka to connect the Ethereum and Cosmos blockchain systems, with plans to add Solana, Base, and Arbitrum in the future. Solana developers introduced confidential balances, which are a series of zero-knowledge-powered token extensions to improve on-chain privacy. Rootstock plans to enable developers to build L2 networks on Bitcoin using the programming language BitVMX. DeFi. Borrowing demand across DeFi has fallen off, with U.S. dollar stablecoin yield at 2.8%, as compared to traditional markets at 4.3%. Tokenized gold trading volume hit a two-year high this week, eclipsing $1 billion as investors pivoted towards safe haven assets amid macro uncertainty. Aave successfully passed a governance proposal to enable the protocol to buy back $4 million worth of its governance token. Others. NFT marketplace Magic Eden has acquired Slingshot, a trading app that allows users to trade tokens from a single USDC balance across multiple protocols. The U.S. Department of Justice has disbanded its National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team and ordered its Market Integrity and Major Frauds Unit to cease crypto enforcement. Pakistan plans to allocate part of its surplus electricity to Bitcoin mining and AI data centers. Ripple announced on Tuesday that it will buy multi-asset prime broker Hidden Road in a $1.25 billion deal. Binance has announced the integration of Apple Pay and Google Pay into its fiat on-ramp ecosystem as part of a partnership with WorldPay. Navigating crypto industry map. Where are our airdrops going? The future of Bitcoin #4, DeFi. That's a wrap. Binance Research. About Binance Research. Binance Research is the research arm of Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. The team is committed to delivering objective, independent, and comprehensive analysis, and aims to be the thought leader in the crypto space. Our analysts publish insightful thought pieces regularly on topics related, but not limited to, the crypto ecosystem, blockchain technologies, and the latest market themes. General disclosure. This material is prepared by Binance Research and is not intended to be relied upon as a forecast or investment advice, and is not a recommendation, offer, or solicitation to buy or sell any securities, cryptocurrencies, or to adopt any investment strategy. Subscribe.